So what's up? I recently moved to China, and like any normal person, I had a bunch of stereotypes in my head about the local quality. And then this one furniture showroom just shattered those stereotypes. Not with words or ads, but with just one thing they weren't afraid to put on display. Now, let's be honest. What do you picture when you hear Chinese furniture factory? Personally, I pictured, crowds, smells, dirt, pipes, smog, everything swarming, smoke, a warehouse where everything is piled in a heap. I was totally prepared to see some kind of chaos. I went there with that exact picture in my head. But it was like walking into a science lab. You won't believe it, but it's clean, bright, quiet. No crowds, no smog or smoke. Everything is just super. And nothing is piled up. Every single thing is literally in its place. And you know what it felt like? Like I wasn't at a factory, but in Silicon Valley, where they're inventing something new. People are working calmly. Everything is under control. Everything is thought out. And that first impression crumbled right there at the entrance. But what really blew me away, of course, was the showroom itself. The furniture there is seriously beautiful. And I don't mean beautiful for China, but just genuinely beautiful, the kind you want to, touch, feel, and imagine sitting in your own home. It's a classic move. And by the way, here's the thing. They put a piece from a famous brand right next to one in the same style made here, and they're like, go ahead, compare them with your own hands and eyes, however you want. Just think about it. To put your product right next to a famous brand and say, compare them. Well, I don't know. I feel like you have to be absolutely confident in your quality. I think anyone who's afraid would never do that. They'd, hide it, distract you, try to talk their way out of it. But here, it's the opposite. Here are two things. See for yourself. You know what I realized today? That all my ideas about China were put together from other people's words. From a picture someone once showed me. But as soon as I came and saw it for myself, none of that was left. That's exactly why we make these videos. Not to tell, but to show. Here's the showroom. Here's the factory. Here are two things side by side. See for yourself. At GLOBUS, we supply furniture from China, as well as lighting, sanitary ware, and everything you need to create modern interiors. If you're interested, get in touch with us via the link in the description. Well, I for one think that this single day in this showroom shattered what I'd believed in for, years, I guess. Write down the first word that comes to mind when you hear furniture from China. Seriously, write it in the comments, be completely honest, and we might break it down in the next video. Like and subscribe, it's only going to get more interesting.